In today's video, we are going to learn about the worker bee, so let's get started. The worker bee is the most common type of bee in a honeybee colony. They are sterile female bees that perform various tasks for the colony, such as collecting pollen and nectar from plants, defending the hive from predators, and creating honey for the colony to consume. Worker bees are typically larger than male bees and have a more robust build with thicker and hairier bodies, which allow them to carry more pollen. Their legs are also shorter and thicker, making it easier for them to crawl through the tight spaces within the hive. Worker bees are responsible for foraging for food, which is essential for the survival of the colony. They fly from flower to flower, collecting pollen and nectar, which they bring back to the hive to be stored in the honeycomb. The pollen and nectar are then used by the other bees in the colony to produce honey and feed the queen bee and the larvae. Worker bees can travel up to 3 miles from the hive in search of food and can collect up to 25 pounds of pollen and nectar during a single foraging trip. In addition to their foraging duties, worker bees also play an important role in defending the hive from predators such as wasps, hornets, and bears. They do this by stinging the predator, which releases a pheromone that alerts the other bees to the danger. This allows the other bees to come to the defense of the hive and protect it from being destroyed. Another important task that worker bees perform is the creation of honey. Honey is made by the worker bees when they process the nectar and pollen that they collect from plants. They store the honey in the honeycomb, which is made of beeswax, for the colony to consume during the winter months when there is less food available. Worker bees also produce beeswax, which is used to build and repair the honeycomb. Worker bees are responsible for ventilating the hive by creating air currents that help to regulate the temperature and prevent the buildup of carbon dioxide. They do this by fanning their wings and moving around the hive. This is important because it helps to keep the hive at a comfortable temperature for the bees and prevents the buildup of carbon dioxide, which could be dangerous for the bees. Worker bees also play a role in the production of royal jelly, which is a substance that is used to feed the queen bee larvae. Royal jelly is made by special glands in the heads of worker bees, and it is what the queen bee larvae are fed in order to ensure that they develop into healthy, fertile queens. Finally, worker bees perform a variety of other tasks in the colony, such as cleaning and maintaining the hive, guarding the hive entrance, and receiving and processing incoming pollen and nectar. These tasks are essential for the proper functioning of the colony and the survival of the species. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something new about the worker bee. If you did, please like the video and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel to learn more about nature. Thanks for watching. See you next time.